Yeah, we should. What's on the? Do we have a group quiz today?
Yeah, we do.
All right. Hey, let's get 100 on this one. We keep getting 90s.
All right. Yeah, I can say the prayer today, guys.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Our dear Heavenly Father, we're so grateful for this day that we have and for this time to come together online to work through these problems. And please help us and bless our understanding to be prepared for an exam. And please bless that we can do them. And I say this in Jesus. Amen.
Amen. Thank you. Did she grade the last week's test yet?
I don't think she did. I feel like she's gonna grade it once both parts are done.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
I'm really scared.
All right. So we just start. We just go to the.
What happened to Logan?
I don't know. I wonder if it's something with the website, like the Google Hangouts website or something.
Yeah, it could be his Wi-Fi or something. I don't know.
Maybe.
Sorry for dropping out for a bit. I was just going to take a nap, and then I decided against it.
Do you want to just jump right into the extension problems then?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah, let's do it.
Cool.
Hey, I got a crazy idea.
Okay.
What if we all chose different problems, solved them, and then taught them to each other, so that way we get through them faster, and we'll probably learn it better that way if we explain it. What do you think?
That works. I can do number one or like the first one where it's graphing the transformations and identifying domain and range. I can do that one.
Okay. Do you want to graph, Rachel, or do the other one? Do one of the other ones.
Do want to? I can start on the other ones.
Okay, I'll do the second graph.
Okay.
Okay, I got mine.
Yeah, I've got
I'm
mine.
almost done with the first question.
Okay.
Checking.
And the moon goes up and the sun goes down. Finally, I don't get down.
I like that last song, Josh.
You do?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm picking love for the Georgia line, bro. So much.
I want to start working on the natural log one.
Okay.
Took your breath away. I was away, away from you. I was away from you. Driving into this time around. Powering off.
Did you get that first one, Joseph?
What?
Yeah, for all of question 1.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Do you want to talk about our first problems?
Yeah, I'll talk about it first. It's pretty straightforward. Like the domain for the 1A is just all real numbers, and then the range, it's negative infinity, and then it goes to 2, and that's the range. And then the has like I think it's a horizontal asymptote. Yeah, it has a horizontal asymptote at 0, 2. Yeah, I'll just flip it around and show you guys. It's pretty straightforward to do. That's what the first one looks like.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Okay.
How did you get the horizontal asymptote?
It's a part of the range. So since that's negative infinity 2, that 2 limits like kind of cuts that off, so the range can't be positive infinity as well. So it limits it just to like negative infinity and 2.
Okay. But how did you find the 2?
It's the y-intercept, let's see, right there.
Okay, just that?
Plus 2. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Cool beans.
Sweet.
Cool. And then did you guys get everything for that one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then for the second one's a little bit difficult, but it's not too bad. I just like plugged it into my graphing calculator and I was able to figure out everything. So it gives you the domain is -4 and then infinity, and then the range is negative infinity to positive infinity. Yeah, and how I got the -4 for that was because of the x plus 4 in the parentheses. So that kind of creates it creates that vertical asymptote right there.
Uh-huh.
So yeah,
Okay. So if it's a positive, if like the leading coefficient's positive, then there'll be a vertical asymptote, and if it's negative, there'll be a horizontal one. Is that kind of what I'm getting?
I think so. Yeah, that's
Okay.
what I think I kind of like realized that when I was plugging it in.
My graph is super detailed.
I can
Oh,
tell.
But yeah, I got the same domain in that asymptote too.
Cool.
Yeah. Perfect.
Sweet.
Oh yeah, I did that problem as well.
Okay.
What'd you get, Rachel?
For the first one, it's like what we did on Tuesday. So it's my work. Except for I was looking at the answer key, and so it says 1 plus the square root of 3. And I just really couldn't figure out how they did that. or how they got the square root of 3 in there. Does it all make sense?
I think so. I'm looking at the problem on the screen right now, so
Okay.
You said you couldn't figure out how they got like the x minus, the square root of 3.
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe I'll work through that real quick, and then we'll see if we can't figure it out.
Oh, I think I just figured it out.
Yep.
Okay, that makes sense. Because 4 times 3 is 12.
Mm-hmm.
So you would just take the square root of 4.
Yep.
Yeah. Yep. And then if you work that out, it should be x 2.73.
Nice. Sick. I did the natural log one. Are you good on that one, Joseph?
I'm just finishing up the first one, but you guys can go on ahead. I'll catch up.
Well, we can work as a team. It's chill.
I'm just honestly just finishing up some stuff for the first one. Like I'm not confused on anything, so I'm good.
Okay. All right. Now it's kind of like in the middle of like a bunch of random work, but you take this and you just use the rules to like condense it, and then once you have like a natural log and like only one natural log of like a unit on both sides, then you can just drop them, and then
Okay.
you just simplify it from there,
Okay.
and then it's x equals 3. It's pretty straightforward, that one.
Sweet. Okay, I'm working on that middle one. So I did
So which one?
the x log 5 plus x
Okay.
log 7.
I'll catch the -3 one then.
Okay.
Hey, did anyone watch the Olympics like on Tuesday night?
Uh, yeah,
Like, you watch Sean White? That was
right.
insane.
Yeah, that was really good.
That was so good. I was so stoked. That was like the most suspenseful sporting event I've watched in a long time.
Yeah.
Nice. I got that one. Are you still on the graphing stuff, Joseph?
What's that?
Are you still on the graphing one? Or which one?
No. I'm on let's see what it's called. The x log 5 plus x log 7 equals log of 3.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm just doing that one right now.
All right, I'll work on the last one in that category.
Cool.
Okay. I've got the second one done. The x log 5 plus x log 7.
Okay.
Nice.
You guys want to see it?
I would love to.
Okay. So you just factor out the x and then you divide by the 2 logs. And then you just put it in the calculator.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
Whew. That one was kind of hard. Did you get yours?
Which one did you just do?
I just did the 2 to the x equals 3 to the x minus 1.
Okay, I did the one right above that.
Okay, yeah, I picked the short one thinking it'd be like the easiest one, but
Yeah.
Yeah. Yours looks a lot harder though.
It wasn't that bad.
Oh, okay. You want to show us?
Yeah.
Talk us through it.
So you, where is it? I don't remember what I did. So I moved like all of the same numbers over and then just took it to the log and -1.
Oh, so not too bad.
No.
Do you want to see this one?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know if it's like too blurry or whether you guys can see it or not. But basically, so what you do is you take the natural log of both sides,
Mhm.
and then you simplify it, and then you do like a little fancy gizmo when you let's see, what step is that? Oh yeah, when you separate the x minus 1 multiplied by ln multiplied by 3, you simplify it to ln 3 of x minus ln to the 3 of 3. And then once you do that, then it's easier to simplify. I don't know, can you guys see that at all?
Yeah,
Yeah.
kind of. Yeah.
So then once you do that, you just subtract the ln 3 of x to the other side, and then factor out the x, and then divide everything by ln of 2 minus ln of 3, which leaves you with x equals negative ln of 3 over ln of 2 minus ln of 3. Punch that in the calculator. And then you're good. But I had to look up how to do that one because like I didn't know how to do it. But now I do.
So moving on.
Yeah.
Does anyone remember the formula for compounded continuously?
Yeah,
Yes.
that's like A equals PE to and then like for the exponent it's like RT.
Okay.
Yeah.
An easy way to remember is PERT.
Yeah.
Sweet. Thanks.
So Rachel, do you want to get the compound continuously, and then maybe I'll take the 50,000 one.
Okay.
And Joseph the 500.
Which one's that?
So it just says how much. Oh, sorry, I said the wrong thing. You want to do the monthly, compounded monthly?
Yeah. Just give me a minute. I'm finishing up the 2 to the x equals 3 to the x minus 1. I'm just
Okay.
finishing that one up real quick.
Yeah, go for it. If you have any questions, just ask me because I totally looked it up.
Cool. Thanks, dude.
Have you guys ever went on Simbo Lab?
Yep.
It's
On what?
Simbo Lab?
No.
Yeah. I use it a lot. Like step by step how to do a problem.
Nice.
So like when I do the homework, usually like the first kind of every problem I get, I just Simbo Lab it, so I know like how to do it, and then I just do it because. Do you guys look at the textbook? I've never looked at the textbook.
I tried looking at the textbook. It's just hard looking at it online.
Yeah.
I just have a hard time just trying to find stuff.
Yeah. Same. Whenever I like search anything, it's never helpful.
Yep.
Like I'll search logarithms and it'll be like there are no results for this.
Right. That's the same with me as well.
Yeah, it's pretty worthless.
Okay. I got the continuously one.
Oh dang it! I've just been talking. My bad, coach. Yeah, I got my problem wrong. For sure. Does someone want to try to do that problem too and see what they get?
I'm finishing
tried
up
it.
mine right now, but I'll try
I
it.
got it.
You got it, Rachel?
Yeah, I'm not sure you can like understand my notes though.
I could probably understand you explaining it.
Okay, I can try and read my notes to explain it. I don't even remember where I started. So you had just the compounded monthly, right? Is that the one you're doing?
The one that's like, how long will it take for you to have 50,000 if compounded monthly?
Yeah, so you have
Ooh,
50,000
I know what I did.
equals 500 times 1 plus 0.0525 over 12 because it's compounded monthly, and then it's all over 12 times t.
Yeah,
And then,
okay, yeah, I see what I did wrong.
okay.
Because what's the interest formula again?
A equals P times 1 plus R over N, and then that's to the N times T, the exponent.
Okay. Yeah, I I used the wrong formula, so that's
That
probably
would
what
do
I
it.
got the wrong answer.
Yeah.
So it's n times t,
Yeah.
and it's the rate over the amount that you compound it. That's n.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Well, first off, I compounded it annually. Second off, I did n divided by t, and then I flipped n divided by r, not r over n. So yeah, I definitely got a wrong answer. Okay, yeah, that makes a lot more sense. Yeah, okay. Oops. Oopsie swoopsie.
Are we working on the last one right now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's the half-life formula again? I looked it up and there's like two different things I'm getting.
There's two different ones.
There's one with like an E and there's one with not an E.
Yeah. So the one on the My Math Lab is A equals like the initial amount times E to the I think the half-life times the years.
Okay.
And then there's one that's like the one that we looked up yesterday.
Last time.
Yeah. Which
And
will get you the same answer.
okay, it works both ways then.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Cool.
Because the way that My Math Lab explained the half-life formula really confused me, and so I just gave up and started using the other one.
Okay. Makes sense. To not use the other.
Does anyone understand how to do A?
Make the formula?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you just write out the formula with like all like the things that you have.
Oh, okay.
So
I was like, thought you had to solve it, and I was like, this doesn't make sense. This doesn't work.
yeah. No, so if you use one formula, it's 100C multiplied by ln of 1/2 over 1590 to the t, or the other formula is 100 times 1/2 to the t divided by 1590. Yeah, so yeah, just do that.
I was just trying to make it a lot harder than it was.
Easy to do.
Yeah.
Did you hit the stick?
Yeah.
Who the freak put that there? Sweet. Finished. Wow, this looks really good. Has anyone ever had one of these?
Nope.
No.
Me neither. I've eaten so much candy the last day and a half, 2 days. It's been bad. Are you a person that knows a lot about health, Joseph?
What's that?
Are you a person that knows a lot about health?
Not really. I just try to eat healthy as much as I can.
So is it worse to binge eat in 2 days or to eat it over a period of time?
Probably binge eat in 2 days.
Yeah, probably.
I'm in
I
trouble.
was hoping that you would say, binge eating, but dang it. You having trouble, Rachel?
No, I just finished it.
Oh, you did? Nice. Where you at, Joseph?
Just finishing it up right now.
You live in Seattle?
Yep.
Nice. Have you always lived
Yeah. I mean, like, I don't live exactly in Seattle. I live like 15 or 20 minutes away from it. Like, if I told you where I was, like, you wouldn't know where I'd be. Like, I live in a town called Sammamish, and like, no one knows where that is. So I just say I'm from Seattle.
Okay.
Yeah.
I know. I played soccer in Sammamish.
Oh, really?
I'm from Tri-Cities, if you know that's that.
Okay. Nice.
They beat us. So sad. Thanks, some machines.
Are you guys ready to move on to the group quiz then?
Yeah.
Ready as in prepared, or ready as in I just want to get it done?
I was gonna say the latter.
Okay, yeah, let's do that. Holy cow! If I could throw this to the screen and share it with you guys, I would. This is delicious. Holy cow! You guys feel like you did pretty good on the test last week?
Which one?
Like the test 2A?
Yeah, I think I did pretty good on it.
I don't know. I thought I was doing good, and then like the multiple choice, apparently only got one right.
Sorry,
and then I cried.
wait, what happened with the multiple choice?
I only got one right out of the 4.
Oh,
and
no.
I was like, I swear, like I didn't know how to do this. So yeah.
Here you go. I'm sorry.
I need it.
So group quiz or what?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
writing this stuff down right now.
All right. I'll try to write neatly. Nose goes for who turns it in today? Oh man.
So for A, do you just separate them? You're like, is log 3 plus log 5 equals log 15?
I think so.
So then would you just write it the $ plus the?
Or wait, if it's log of log of A15 and you split those two apart, it'd be like log of A3 plus log of A5. So if
Yeah.
it's like the logs with like the same base, but they're like added, you can like multiply them. So I think it'd be $ plus £.
Okay. Cool. That's what I thought. I just wanted to double check.
Yeah, I don't know. These are kind of actually tricky. I thought this was going to be easy.
And I think for B, it's just divided.
Yeah.
So is the answer just pound plus money sign?
Yeah, pretty much.
No, it'd be money plus. I guess it doesn't matter on A.
Yeah.
But on B, it's the other way.
It's pound minus money.
Mm-hmm.
Is C money times pound?
No, because 5 to the third equal, like 5 to the third power is 125. So I think it would be three multiplied by pound sign. I think. Or wait. Hold on. Yeah, I think it's 3 pound sign.
So for D, is it just since it's like 3 cubed over 5 squared? Do you just, so it'll be like $sign to the $sign?
No, because $ equals log of A3.
Oh, that's true.
So that exponent, you can just bring it out to the front. I'm kind of, I'm like bringing it into like a subtraction kind of form, like after the division part, because you can bring it out separately, so it can be like log of A3 to the cubed, and then that can be to like 3 log of A3, and then minus 2 log A5.
Okay.
So I think that's how you're supposed to do it. I'm not sure though.
So then it would be 3 times $sign minus 2 times £sign.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think so.
Do you know what to do on the last one?
I think so. I'm trying to figure that one out. I think I got it.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, sorry, my computer is tripping out.
Did you guys get D?
For D, I got 3 money divided by £2.
I got 3 money divided by or minus £2.
Yeah, that's what I got. What'd you guys get for E?
Wait, isn't minus and divided the same thing?
I don't know.
I think like if the log form is divided, that means that it can like be switched back to like subtraction.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, because I mean, if you have like like log whatever minus log whatever, it's just like they're divided, right? So like
That's true.
since the question format's in divided form, I don't know. I just put it in divided. I think that's the most simplified way, but I don't know if that's. I think they're equivalent.
Yeah.
Did you guys get for E? Did you get money sign plus the square root of pound sign?
It could go either way.
Sorry, Joseph. What'd you say on the last thing you said?
Did you get for part E? Did you get money sign plus the square root of pound sign?
I'm in the middle of working on that one still.
Okay.
I have no idea what to do, except that it, like, yeah, I had no idea what to do.
Okay.
The square root of the pound sign, if it's
What's that?
like, can you write the pound sign?
I think you can.
Okay, because that way it makes the most sense.
Yeah.
Number two,
Wait. What'd you guys get for E?
money plus square root of pound sign.
Okay. Sorry. Can we just go through the answers of 1 through E?
Yeah.
It's just A through E real quick because do you guys want me to turn it in today?
Yeah.
I mean, I can. I just want to make sure we're all on the same page as far as answers because that would suck. So as far as A, is it just pound plus money?
Or money plus pound, either way works.
And then B is pound minus money.
Yep.
And then
I
C.
have.
Oh,
Wait,
what do you
no,
have?
it's money minus pound
Or yeah, that's right. Yeah, money minus pound.
because 5 divided by 3 is not the same as 3 divided by 5.
True. Okay, yeah. Oops. See, that's why it's good to go over these things. 'Cause I did that. Okay, and then C. So it's money minus pound on B, right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. C, 3 pound.
Yep.
D is 3 money minus 2 pound.
Yep.
And then E is money plus the square root of pound, or actually, no, it'd probably be money plus half pound, right? half times pound?
Yeah, that way could work too.
Because that's how you write it in logs. You don't write like a square root over a log.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
You guys know what to do for number 2?
I'm still writing it down.
Okay.
Um, what if you times it by, you did 1 over 4 times log of b to the rest of everything else?
Yeah, that's what I thought. I just don't know if like you're supposed to do anything else after that.
Are we just supposed to expand it?
I think so, but I don't really know. I'm kind of confused on this one.
I don't know. You'd have 1/4 and then in parentheses have everything else, I guess.
Yeah.
It's kind of a weird problem.
Yeah.
Can you just, I don't know if this is like a right rule or whatever, but since everything inside the fourth root is greater than, like, the exponential power is higher than 4, can you just subtract 4 from all of those and then expand it?
I don't know. This is what I did right here.
This is also something I think that works, or that's like equivalent.
Yeah. It all means the same thing.
I think that would be more accurate than putting 1/4 outside the parentheses. Is that once you got all the given numbers and you plugged it in, then it would be the sum of those numbers multiplied by 1/4 rather than an actual fourth root. Because order of operations is that you do the stuff inside the parentheses rather than outside it first. And so if you had 5 times log base 10 of 6 plus, whatever, 6 times log base 10 of 5 or whatever, you'd solve that, then multiply it by 1/4 if the 1/4 is outside, and you get a different answer than you would like 5/4 log b of x. Does that sound right?
I don't know, because the way that you wrote it, you could just take 1/4 out of everything already and write it the way that I do. And if you're going to do everything inside the parentheses first, you're going to just like go back to the way that it was written before.
To the radical or to the 1/4 outside?
To either one.
Because so like maybe like 5 to the 5/4 means something different than 1/4 times 5 to the 5th. Like these two, I see that. Like those two things aren't equivalent.
No. And that's the way that you have it written, I think.
No, right here. So, I don't know, the example that I saw that you wrote down, I don't know if it was right. It had the 1/4 outside, but that's not equivalent to having the 4th inside.
But wouldn't you just times the 1/4 to, like, you just times it to everything?
I don't know. What'd you get on this one, Joseph? On 2.
I skipped that one and I did numbers 3 and 4 instead.
Nice.
Perfect.
Yeah. By the way, numbers 3 and 4, they're basically the same thing from, let's see. Yeah, so Numbers 3 and 4, they're both from problems that we had from the extension problems from this past week's our first hangout.
Yeah,
so they're
that's
both
what I
super easy.
noticed.
What's that?
I saw that.
Yeah, so they're both honestly easy to do because for group quizzes you're allowed to go back and use notes. So you can just go back to like hangout number 1 of this past week, and you can see like what to do for numbers 3 and 4.
Yeah, for number 3, did you get 3%?
Yeah, 3.2%.
Yeah.
And then for 4, I got 100 over 99.
Okay, I haven't done. I just barely finished number 3.
Okay.
I got, for number 4, I got x equals 100 over 99.
Yep, that's what I got too.
Cool. Everyone got them all done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Sorry, I'm still on number 3. What'd you guys get for number 2?
I didn't really do number 2.
I got this.
The one with the brackets?
Yeah. Or you could go the one on top of it. Like they mean the same thing.
Okay. I got something a little different.
Okay.
I drew a horse in mine. I'm just kidding. No, one of them is log b of b, so that simplifies to 1. So I just got 1/4 parentheses 5 log b of x plus 6 minus 1/4 parentheses 7 log b of y plus 16 log b of 2.
Isn't that Z?
What? Oh, z. There we go. Yep, bad handwriting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it would be 3/2 then instead of just log B.
Yeah. Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah, I knew there was something that I wasn't getting with that problem, but found it. And then what was the answers that you guys got for 3 and 4?
For 3, I got 3.2%, and 4, it's 100 over 99.
Sorry, can you say number 3 again?
3.2%,
And 4?
100 over 99.
Okay.
Yeah. They're problems that we did on Tuesday, basically.
All right. Yeah, they don't look too hard. Well, how do you do 4?
So you add log of x minus 1 on both sides,
Okay.
and then the log of 2, since the base is n, is 10 to the 2. And so it'll be a log of 100 times x minus 1.
Okay.
And then you just simplify it from there.
All right. I can turn that in for us if you guys want.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think I got everything right. Hopefully. Wait, so once you have the log of x equals log of x minus 1, then you subtract. What do you do from there?
So this is what I got.
Oh yeah, you just convert it into the thing. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay, cool. Good jam sesh, crew. Good.
Do I have like a red frame around me?
Yeah, happy Valentine's Day.
That's really weird. I don't know why it's doing that.
Wait, what the heck? That was really weird.
I think the light was reflecting off of my computer since it's red.
Dope.
But I have no idea. It's never done that before.
Did everyone have a good Valentine's Day?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was all right.
I got some pretty good stories out of it, so I was stoked.
I learned that you should not go to Little Caesars on Valentine's Day.
Was it packed?
Yeah.
You had to wait out in the cold?
No, the line went like around the corner out to the bathroom.
Holy cow. Wow.
Yeah.
I basically just did homework most of the day. It was dope. All right, sweet. I'll turn that in, and I'll give you 10 participants.